Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Raider. Before I say anything, I want to admit that I've been a bit inactive lately. I'm not here to bring any negative energy, but I haven't posted for quite a while because of a series of events in my life. Don't worry, they weren't sad events. Lol. Quite the opposite, actually. I just graduated. Right now, I'm trying to find a job. But you guys know how the job market is in some countries these days. It's a total disaster. That's one of the reasons I'm here. I always try to be honest with you guys. I make YouTube videos hoping that the channel will grow and eventually help me earn some money one way or another. Even if I reach 1,000 subscribers, I still need 4,000 hours of watch time, and I'm still very far from that goal. So, watching the entire video actually helps me a lot. And I don't think that's too much to ask. Anyway, sorry for the delay. Now let's get right back to this amazing site called Nuggmi. In short, as you can see from the video, Nuggmi offers multiple ways to earn nuggets, the currency used on the site. Every 10,000 nuggets equals $1, and you receive 1,000 nuggets just for registering. You can watch ads mined by purchasing axes that work for you, complete faucets, finish quests, do offers when they're available, and get referrals to boost your passive earnings. And that's pretty much it. I'm not going to make this video any longer. If you'd like to check out the site, feel free to use the link in the description. One more thing. I haven't withdrawn any money from the site yet, so don't deposit anything unless you know exactly what you're doing and have done your own research. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.